Hey guys, back again here with another video. We're gonna do a quick unboxing on this Eufy Security 4K Ultra HD camera set. I picked this up for my parents because since they're older, cameras are not working up to par anymore, so we're just time for an upgrade. So here's the box itself. We'll go ahead and open it up. So in here, you got your new Homebase 3 that does have expandable storage, and the two cameras themselves. So first camera, and then the second camera. And then underneath here, you have your mounting hardware. First, so you got your user's manual along with a couple of little stickers, or window decal should I say, and the actual hardware itself. Just move both sides of the way. So in here, here's the mounting hardware. Very easy to install, along with the power cord for the home base and Ethernet cable. Now the home base does support Wi-Fi as well, but it's always a better choice to do wired to your router. That's just been my experience with them. Here is also some mounting screws, charging cable, because you can actually charge the cameras off of the home base, and then another camera mount. Other than that, that is going to conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll do a follow-up video for this guy installing the expandable storage on it, so stay tuned. All right, see you guys later. Peace.